In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your social media accounts to HubSpot. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your HubSpot account and that you have the right permissions to manage social settings. You'll also want your social logins handy and pop-ups enabled in your browser, since the authentication screens often open in a new window. If you manage business pages, it helps to have admin access on those pages before you start. From your HubSpot dashboard, look to the left pane and click on Marketing. In that menu, select Social. This takes you into HubSpot's Social tool, where you can manage publishing, monitoring, and reporting for your channels once they're connected. At the top of the social area, go to the Manage tab. Here, click Connect Accounts. This is the central place where you'll add each social network you plan to use with HubSpot. A list of social platforms will appear. Choose the account you want to connect. Facebook, Instagram, X, YouTube, and others are available. After you select a network, you'll be prompted to log into that platform. Enter your credentials on the social network's secure login page and follow the prompts to authenticate. If you're already signed in on that browser, you may just need to confirm access. During authentication, you might be asked to grant permissions or select which pages or profiles to connect. For example, if you manage multiple Facebook pages or Instagram accounts, pick the ones you want to use in HubSpot. Be sure to allow the permissions HubSpot requests. Limiting them can prevent scheduling or analytics from working correctly. If you don't see the right account, switch to the correct profile on that social platform and try again. Once you approve access, you'll be brought back to HubSpot, and your connected account will appear in the Manage tab. That's your confirmation that the connection is complete. If you plan to connect more than one social network, repeat the same process for each platform you use. A couple of quick tips. If the Connect Accounts button doesn't respond, disable any pop-up blockers and refresh the page. If authentication fails, sign out of the social network in another tab, then try again with the correct login. And if you work with a team, verify that your HubSpot user has permission to publish on behalf of those pages. That's all there is to it. You've connected your social media accounts to HubSpot and are ready to schedule posts, track performance, and manage your presence all in one place.